Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms. I've got my Kubota BX 2370 here, which I use to keep my grass down. It's a good tractor. It does have some shortfalls on it, and one of them that these BXs have is overheating issues, and I've been starting to have that with this a little bit. I get mowing, I get about 15-20 minutes in, and it starts to overheat on me. And then after that, it seems like I get 10 minutes in. It probably doesn't help. The heat index is over 100 degrees here in Missouri right now. But I have been trying to mow first thing in the morning. So I got in there. I had a little maintenance. I was going to add some antifreeze to it. And here's what I did. And so far, it seems to be working pretty good. Is you got your screen here. And always keep this screen clean before you use it. And I would spray water down here occasionally, like a little jet, to try to knock stuff out, but apparently that wasn't good enough. So I went by Harbor Freight, and I got this long air hose. And what I did is I took this front cover off. You know, the air, you get some airflow in here. You gotta blow the dust out of there, blow the dust out from in the battery compartment. But here's where I was really amazed how much stuff was actually in there that was not getting cleaned out. Is I started putting it in here. I think I got it all. Yeah, no more's coming out now. But the amount of grass and debris and dust that was coming out from in there when I started hitting it with this was just mind-boggling. So apparently there's a lot that sits in there. This is probably one of the downsides to these BXs, is the way the airflow is. So, you know, something to consider if you're having that same issue. These are very cheap at Harbor Freight. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I'm sure it was under $10. And like I said, I just put it on there, blew everything out, mowed a little bit, and it is not overheating on me whatsoever now. So, you know, that's a plus. I'm going to try to finish up the yard today, and we'll see, you know, how well it works. But just wanted to kind of share that with you. If you're having some overheating problems like I am, because I know several other people that have these, and they've had overheating problems, and I'm glad I figured this out. It's Matt with McGee Farms. If you enjoy the videos, if they help you out, please consider giving us a thumbs up on the video or subscribing to the channel. It's much appreciated, and it helps the channel grow. Till next time, have a great day.